Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, October the 17th, 2024. We have not so good news today because in today's newspaper we have only three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. There's no additional in this today's newspaper. Let me show you. No additional with extra puzzles. No. Only 3 regular puzzles for today. Well, sometimes the publisher publish only 3 regular puzzles, and sometimes, well, often they publish an additional with extra puzzle. But this newspaper, today's newspaper, we have only 3 regular puzzles. And this one will be number 9448. 9448. Let me show this. Okay, 9448. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30, correction, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with a 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 marks. So the 5 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 5 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square should be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see another 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. The only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. Only place left for 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. All right. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then let me see, 2, 9, 8. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. Oh, sorry, 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only place left for the 6 should be there. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Then let me see. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. Here came the 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here came the 9, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. And here can be 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this column should be here. 9, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for 4 should be there. The 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Then let me see. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, no. We need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 and the 3. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 9 here. Come on. 6. Need a 6 here. 8 in this row, first row. 8 in second row, so in third row, the only place level 8 should be there. Need a 7, 6. 7, 6 and the 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only place left is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, third row, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 6 goes there. 1 box left down in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now here, the 7 and 9 in this column, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left with a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 7 goes there. 10 minutes. Whoa! We solve it again, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.